down 23-24 Topps Finest Buckets. This is half case breaker to light number 4. Yeah, I don't see anything, man. Sometimes YouTube be like that, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cam Whitmore for the Rockets, rookie refractor, Houston, card number 79 for the 9 spot. Van Fleet for the I always want to say Raptors, for the Rockets, Houston, 48 out of 99 purple, 48 for the 8 spot. Ginobili, 27 out of 49 for the 7 spot. Blue Spurs. Joker, 23 out of 125 for the Nuggets, purple. Quickly, Raptors, 150 blue. Debut Podziemski for the Warriors. Debut rookie blue. Warriors spot. Oh, we got a redemption here. Gold. Sensabaugh. Gold for the Utah Jazz. Debut gold. Go backwards here. Oh, Jaren Jackson Jr. Triple J for the Grizzlies. 10 out of 25. Grizzlies in the serial this time. 10 spot, 0 spot. KY. Gold autograph here of Chris Livingston for the Bucks. Rookie gold auto Bucks. Tyler. Master autograph black geometric. So the regular black's out of 25. I don't know if that's might just still be out of 25. Chef Curry, baby. Somebody look up black geometric. I guess I can right now. Masters Curry, baby. Let's go. This is so much better than Cosmic. Oh my god. Let me see here. Masters, black out of 25. It doesn't say anything about the geometric, so I'm thinking it's just black out of 25. But I don't know, with Curry, yeah, I don't see anything that would say otherwise. Out of 2, where do you see that? I don't see any out of 2 autos. I hope that's out of 2, but I think it's out of 25. Boom! Warriors, Derek, there you go, buddy. Curry, Master, Black Auto. Let's go, Derek. Yeah, I think it's out of 25. I don't think there's anything out of 2 for the autos in this one. Yeah, I think you are thinking for the Topps Chrome, Will. I was just looking at that earlier. I think that's what you're thinking of. Thanks for helping out, though, my friend. Let's freaking go. Topps Finest Buckets. Wait a second. Tony Parker refractor. 139 for the 9 spot. Marcus Smart for the Grizzlies. 55 out of 75. Purple, 5 spot. Thanks, man. Right on. Fuck them kids. Wimby purple, 14 out of 99. Spurs, 4 spot. Roy P. Wimby. Zach Randolph in those Grizzlies. This is a black refractor here. 1 out of 20. Grizzlies, 1 spot. Cade Cunningham, Pistons, purple to 75. Magic Johnson for the Lakers. Showstoppers to 99 blue. Dirk for the Dallas Mavericks. Showstoppers purple, 125. We got a Ben Wallace for the Thunder. No. Detroit Pistons. Sorry. 99 out of 99. Ben Wallace. And a Grant Williams for the Hornets. Charlotte. 95 out of 99. Blue auto. And our awesome Dennis Rodman to 25 for the Bulls. There you go, JEM. Chet, Thunder, refractor. Walsh for the Celtics to 49. Buddy Hield to 74 for the Sixers. Die cut. Herder for the Kings, 107 out of 125 purple, 7 spot. GG Jackson, rookie for the Grizzlies, 5 out of 150 blue, 5 spot in the cereal. More orders coming through here. 2 out of 5 on a red. Paul George finishers. Red refractor. Heck yeah. Paul George and the Clippers. 2 out of 5. Red refractor. Embiid. Case hit for the Sixers. Sixers going out to Mel. Case hit. Ray Allen for the Bucks. Old school Bucks. 16 out of 50. Masters. Gold. Tyler. Heck yeah. Clowney for the Nets, number 66 out of 99, rookie blue, Nets, 6 spot. And a Hachimura for the Lakers, gold to 21 out of 20. Kobe Brown. Something on this one. Kobe Brown for the Clippers, rookie refractor. Stojakovic for the Kings, 66 out of 125 purple, 6 spot. Josh Hart for the Knicks, blue to 150. Pucciafino for the Lakers to 99 purple. 7 out of 10 red, black, Viper, Magic Johnson, Lakers. 7 out of 10. Miller, T-Wolves, blue debut to 150. Finishers, die cut to 74, Jalen Brunson for the Knicks. 20, 35, 22, and 17. Wow. Strother, 30 out of 50, gold rookie autograph for the Denver Nuggets. Jalen Pickett, 69 out of 99 for the Denver Nuggets, blue auto. And Isaiah Wong for the Pacers. Yeah, Pacers, Indiana Pacers, 15 out of 20, red, black, white. One more box to go on this Topps Finest half case breaker delay break. Who are the Nuggets facing? Who's he going up against? Last box of the break, right here. Grant Hill, refractor for the Pistons. Kyrie, Dallas Mavericks to 49. Ben Simmons, 9 out of 99 for the Nets, 9 spot. Halliburton, Pacers to 75. Conley, T-Wolves to 99. David Robinson, Spurs, going up against the Kings, okay. David Robinson, Spurs, 134 out of 150, blue, 4 spot. Scoot, Portland to 99, rookie arrivals. Black refractor auto here, 13 out of 25. Houston Rockets, 3 spot in a serial. Roy P. We got a Cam Whitmore, flashback, rookie auto. And a Walker Kessler for the Jazz to 99, blue auto. We're going to end it with a Trey Murphy III, red and black Viper, 5 out of 10 for the Pelicans, 5 spot in a serial. Dang. Here we go in a recap. Topps Finest Basketball, half a breaker late case number 4. Curry.